Assalamu alaikum, children. Welcome back to the science class for the grade 5. This is lesson number 1, Plant Reproduction, part 3. In the previous two sessions of this lesson, we have studied about plant reproduction by different means as plants reproduce through seeds, stems, roots, leaves, and spores. We have seen in the previous classes, and we have also seen the seed dispersal different means how by the different means seed disperse. We have seen seed dispersal through wind, water, animals, and explosion. Okay, so in today's video we shall be discussing about crop production, that is agriculture. Okay, as you know that agriculture is the major occupation of people of India. So when the farmers grow a crop, so it's not a easy process. It includes various stages of agriculture by which a healthy crop we can get. So here we will see different crops require different kinds of soil. As the different crops grown in different parts of India, so why they grow in a particular area? Because of the kind of soil, because of the climatic conditions and the amount of water which they need to grow. So different crops require different kinds of soil, climate, and amount of water to grow. So here is one table in which it is given that name of the crop and in the season in which they grow. So here wheat and barley, it grows in winter season. Here sorghum, jawar, pearl, millet, bajra, and maize, rice, jute, and cotton, they grow in summer season. Okay, and pea, gram, and mustard, they grow in winter season. Green gram means moong dal, it grows in summer season, and oats, it grows in winter season. So these are the different seasons in which these particular crops grow. So children, the crops that are grown in winter season are called rabi crops. Remember important points. Crops that grown in winter season are called rabi crops, and the crops which grown in summer season, they are called kharif crops. Rabi crops winter season, kharif crops summer season. Just remember. Now we will see different stages of agriculture. As I told you, growing a crop, it takes various stages. It cannot grow in just a single step or single attempt. The farmer need to follow many steps to get a healthy crop. So first step we will see, that is ploughing. Ploughing is nothing but preparing the land. Ploughing is the act of turning the soil to loosen it. It helps in the circulation of air in the soil. See, the land will be hard or used up by some crop. So again, if farmer want to sow the seeds in that, so he has to prepare the land, he has to loosen the soil to circulate the air and to circulate the nutrients also. So ploughing is nothing but preparing the land by loosening the soil. So this is the first step for of agriculture. Second step is adding manure or fertilizer. Now after preparing the soil, farmer need to add some nutrients in the form of manure and fertilizers to the soil, because already the nutrients which are present in the soil, it was used up by the crop which has harvested. Hmm? So now the shortage of nutrients will be there in the soil. That's why farmer need to add this manure and fertilizers to make the soil healthy and nutritious. Okay. Third step is sowing. Sowing means putting the seed into the soil. Sowing is the act of planting seed in the soil to get a good yield. It is important to sow good quality healthy seed. So in the beginning of the chapter we have studied that every seed will not become a healthy plant. It needs favorable conditions and it should be healthy. First of all, seed should be healthy. So here for sowing the seeds, seeds should be of better quality, good quality, and certified seeds it should be, then only it can grow into healthy plant. The fourth step is irrigation. Irrigation is nothing but watering the plant. Okay, plants need water for growth. Irrigation is the act of supplying sufficient amount of water to crops regularly. So as plants needs water regularly, so through the irrigation process, by different processes, farmers provide water to the crops whenever they need. So means farmers know very well when to give the water to the plants, and by using the different methods, they irrigate the farm. Next is harvesting. Harvesting is the cutting and gathering the ripe crop. Rabi crops are harvested in March month, and Kharif crop are harvested at the end of the monsoon season. So, do you remember what is Rabi crops? Crops grown in winter season, and Kharif crops grown in summer season. So they are cut in this months March and at the end of monsoon season. Okay. Next stage is storage. So harvested means it means cutting the crop, cutting and gathering the ripe crop, cutting and making the bundles of that crop. That is harvesting, cutting the crop. Sixth stage is storage. We can say last stage. Storage, the harvested crop needs to be stored properly. If farmers leave these harvested crop in the sunlight openly, or it gets if it gets rain, so it may get spoiled. That's why they need to store it properly. So they make different storage houses to store these crops. The harvested crop needs to be stored properly. Proper storage prevents damage to the crop from moisture and pests. So here in these pictures, you can see the stages, which six stages we have seen. First, we have seen ploughing, then sowing the seeds, then adding fertilizers and manure, okay, then irrigation, watering the crop, then harvesting, cutting the crops, and storing in silos. See, these type of tanks are made in uh, near the farms to store these grains safely. So these are the silos where uh, that is called storage house also, where the farmers store their harvested crop. Okay, now we will see how to protect the crops. Protecting the crops. Farmers often build fences around the fields to protect crops from grazing animals. See, you might have seen around the farms, around the fields, fencing will be done. Fencing means some electrical wire boundary or something, other type of boundary they make to stop the animals to enter in this, and to stop the people also to spoil it. It prevents it from spoiling from the people and from the animals also. Birds also destroy the crops. A scarecrow helps to keep the birds away. Do you know scarecrow? Here, like the statue of a person they make at the middle of the farm. By seeing it, birds would not enter to the farm. By seeing that a person is standing like it is called scarecrow. Then insecticides and pesticides are sprayed to protect the plants against insects, pests, rats, and moles. Insecticides means insect means insects, and sides means killing. Insecticide, the medicine which kills the insects and the pest microorganisms which destroy the crops. So for killing them, pesticides are used. Actually, these are medicines. Insecticides and pesticides are sprayed to protect the plants against insect and pests. Then after harvesting the crop, what farmer should do? Once the crop is harvested, a farmer needs to protect the crop from small animals and moisture. Means from water also they have to protect it, and from animals also they have to protect it. Harvested grains and pulses are stored in airtight containers. Pesticides and insecticides are also used to protect the grains and pulses. Healthy seeds are stored by farmers to grow the new crop. So after harvesting the crop, they need to store it, they need to protect it by different methods. And seeds also they have to, healthy seeds are also they have to store to sow the next farm. When they prepare the land, they need to sow the seeds again, so they have to store this also. So that's it in this lesson, children. We have completed this lesson today. So with this video, I am forwarding notes of this lesson also. You have to write keywords first in a 4 rule book, then which question answers I am sending, that also you have to write neatly in your notebook without spelling mistakes and in beautiful handwriting. Okay, and textbook exercises pics also I am forwarding you. You have to solve textbook exercises in textbook itself, and notebook writing question answers that you have to write in notebook. Okay, uh, now we inshallah in the next week, next video, we will start new lesson, lesson number 2. Okay, till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.